Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Achievers. So this is a very important video which I am going to make for you all today. I have made this video for the students who will be having their exams for the upcoming CA, CS, CMA or any other law examination. So I have divided the entire video into the three parts. Firstly, we will see after joining the particular course, few things to keep in mind. Then we will see study tips for both theoretical and practical subjects. And then lastly, we'll see some tips for the exam days. So starting with my first part, that few things have to keep in mind. So I've mentioned some of the important things that we have to keep in mind. So they are as under determination and keep a goal, focus, patience, proper planning and time management, positive energy and vibes, self motivation, self confidence and self discipline. Don't use social media much for some couple of months or days because it will distract your attention. Leisure time after every few days where you can watch movies, listen songs or meet your friends. Respect your profession, be it CA, CS, CMA, law or any other profession. Gather study materials, buy or refer video classes. Think for your future, where you want to be in your life and career. Starting with the second part, which is study tips for theoretical subject. Always first see the notification, circulars, amendments or any other guidelines issued by the government and institute, because for law it is very important to be very well updated with everything. Always start the respective act or concept with the logic that why this particular act or concept has been came or enforced. Always try to read from the barracks or from the main books and then make your own short notes on your diary or notepad in Hindi or any language you prefer, so that at the time of revision it will make you remember every important things in a short period of time. Highlight the important section or provision or concept or keywords so that it will not be left out when you will be revising later on. Make law or your subject interesting while studying any act, be it Companies Act, Contract Act, Money Laundering Act or any other concepts. Devote 2 to 3 hours every day to your respective theoretical subject and also revise the same topic which you learned the last day so that you will not forget till your exams and even afterwards. Every sectional provision or concepts are not important, but there are certain sectional provision or concepts which are very important. Try to remember and learn them. Lastly, revise your theoretical subjects 2 to 3 times after completing the entire subject. Now study tips for practical subjects. Always make a separate part or copy for the different chapters. Like for taxation, divide the taxation into the direct tax and indirect tax, different heads of income, introduction part, etc. so that it will not look chaos. Always make a different notebook for the formula or slab rate or like any other things so that it will be easy to remember the things. Practice the practical writing for each and every new problem or question rather than only going through it, so that time constraint will not be a problem in exams. Be updated if there is any changes. Don't start a new or untouched topic on exam day or previous day. Better to leave it completely. Follow trends, last year question papers, and clear the doubts and stuffs with your mentor or senior or friends. Give mock test, revise and revise. Lastly, some tips for the exam days. Don't panic. Go through the question paper first and read each and every question in the first 10 to 15 minutes. Write clearly and start the paper with the answers you know correctly, because it gives a good impression, and also allocate the time for each and every question so that there will be no shortage of time, and also try to check your answer sheet before submission. Always try to attempt a full question paper with proper good handwriting, proper notes, section and conclusion, and also scaling at the end of each and every answer in the answer script. Once a paper is over, whether good or bad, don't discuss or have concern for such. Have a complete focus on the next paper and rest of the exams. And lastly, relax during exam days, have complete sleep, and avoid unnecessary tension and worries. Ending with these lines, the first S in success stands for sacrifice and the last S stands for satisfaction. Thank you so much and all the very best, my future professional friends.